Listen to the way you would say, "Fine, thank you."
Спасибо, хорошо.
Let's hear that again.
Спасибо, хорошо.
Here's how to say, "Thank you."
Спасибо.
Let's hear that again.
Спасибо.
How do you say, "Thank you"?
Спасибо.
Listen and repeat the following,
Хорошо.
which means, fine. What's the way to say, fine?
Хорошо.
How do you say, thank you?
Спасибо.
What's the way to say, fine?
Хорошо.
When responding to the question,
Как ваши дела?
how are you? It is quite common in Russian to say,
Спасибо.
thank you, first, and then answer the question. Use what you just learned to say, fine, thank you.
Спасибо, хорошо.
To say, not too bad, you would say,
Ничего.
which literally means nothing. In Russia,
Ничего.
is one of the most frequent answers to the question, how are you? It literally means nothing and expresses a Russian way of saying everything's all right or nothing bad is happening. Let's see if you can say, not too bad.
Ничего.
Based on what you've learned so far, you can figure out how to say, thank you, not too bad.
Спасибо. Ничего.
Let's see if you can say, not too bad.
Ничего.
What's the way to say, thank you, not too bad?
Спасибо. Ничего.
This is how you'd say, you, in a formal setting.
Вы. Вы.
Is a polite address commonly used when talking to a stranger or to show respect when addressing a person significantly older in age than you are. In written Russian,
Вы.
is usually capitalized in all its forms. In a formal setting, how would you say, you?
Вы. Вас.
Is to say, and you? In a formal setting, say,
А у вас?
you are literally saying, and with you?
Вас.
Is one of the forms of.
Вы.
Russian can be tricky sometimes. The same word can have different forms depending on where it occurs in the sentence. For now, just remember this usage. What's the formal way to say, and you?
А у вас?
Based on what you've already learned, what do you think is the correct way to say, fine, thank you, and you? In a formal setting.
Спасибо, хорошо. А у вас?
Let's see if you can say, not too bad.
Ничего.
What's the way to say, thank you, not too bad?
Спасибо. Ничего.
Do you remember how to say, fine, thank you, and you? In a formal setting.
Спасибо, хорошо. А у вас?
Here's how you would say, you are welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Remember this? Say, you are welcome.
Пожалуйста.
You translates informally to
Ты. Ты.
is used in addressing family members, friends, children, and other people you know rather well. The inappropriate use of
Ты.
could be considered offensive to a Russian person. When in doubt, it's better to use
Вы,
unless your new acquaintance invites you to switch to.
ты,
In a casual setting, how do you say you?
ты.
In an informal setting, you say
Давай на «ты».
to mean let's switch to T. In Russian culture, to go from
Вы,
relationship, formal, to
ты.
relationship, informal, one person will say,
Давай на «ты».
let's switch to.
Ты.
Sometimes the new friends will then link arms, drink, and kiss each other 3 times. This ceremony is referred to as.
Пить на брудершафт.
It comes from an. What's the casual way to say, let's switch to T?
Давай на «ты».
In a formal setting, how would you say you?
Вы,
What's the formal way to say and you?
а у вас?
Remember this? Say, you are welcome.
Пожалуйста.
In a casual setting, how do you say you?
Ты.
What's the casual way to say, let's switch to T?
Давай на «ты».